If your Star Citizen game crashes and you get this error message which says Star Citizen has stopped running unexpectedly, something went wrong while playing the game, please try relaunching the game. If the problem persists, verify your installation files with the game error code, which is this one. Now you should follow these instructions very carefully and I'll guide you on how to solve this problem. In most cases, this issue normally occurs due to the problem with the Vulcan. So try these steps to solve the problem. Just try switching to DirectX 11. So to switch to DirectX 11 from Vulcan is very easy. On the window or PC, just press the window button. It will open this. Now you'll have to type run. Open this run application. Now on the run application, type %localappdata%. Now you can add this slash which is like this, and then type Star Citizen, just like this. So exactly like this, %localappdata% /Star Citizen, and this C must be in capital letters. So just like this. After typing this, click OK. So after clicking OK, it will open the directory for Star Citizen. Now inside the directory for Star Citizen, look for the latest shader folder. Now this will depend on your latest shader folder, but for me it can look like this. So I'll open this, my latest shader folder, which will look like this. After opening this, now inside you'll find the graphic settings. Now open the graphic settings folder. Now you'll find the GraphicsSettings.json file. Now inside the GraphicsSettings.json file, make sure to open this GraphicsSettings.json file. Now after opening it, make sure the renderer value is set to 0 to use DirectX 11 instead of 1 which uses Vulkan. So you just need to follow the instructions here. Go to this directory here. You can either just press window plus R and then you can type %localappdata%, then click OK. Now look for the Star Citizen folder and make sure to open the Star Citizen folder. After opening the Star Citizen folder, look for the latest shader folder, which may look like this or it may be different. Now after opening this folder, you'll find the graphic settings. Open the graphic settings folder. You'll find the GraphicsSettings.json. Now open this GraphicsSettings.json. Inside the GraphicsSettings.json, make sure to change the renderer. Make sure the renderer value is set to 0 to use the DirectX 11 instead of 1 which uses Vulkan. So that's it. After that, you'll find that the issue can be resolved. Now, if you've done so but you're still crashing and you're facing the same error message, Star Citizen has stopped running expectedly, you're going to open your launcher. After opening the launcher, now you can click this settings icon here and make sure to verify the game files. So after verifying the game files, and then try to check if the issue has been resolved. So this is the best guide on how to fix this problem. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.